This is a Link e-scooter here in Lanzarote. You can rent these via an app. The app is available on Android and Apple, really easy to use. Install the app, set up a payment method, debit, credit card, or you can put credit on there. Scan the QR code. That green light then will turn white and away you go. When you finish your ride, remember to park it in a parking zone and to end the ride, otherwise you'll be charged additional. I've had an issue this week of the app not letting me end the ride, so I've had to close the app, restart the app and then end the ride.